Obtaining full knee extension after a total knee arthroplasty or an ACL repair, or for any other reason that you're lacking total knee extension, is quite crucial. So I'm going to show you with a couple basic supplies. I'm going to start with 2 chairs, good lumbar support. Now, you can put a towel roll above that ankle. You want to make sure that your kneecap is pointed straight up to the ceiling and that your toes are pointed straight up to the ceiling. You can start with no weight, and then you can gradually add weight above that kneecap. You can use an ankle weight, or I like to use a bag of rice. So you'll go above that kneecap and making sure that patella is pointed straight up and your toe is pointed straight up. If your foot rolls out to the side, it feels a lot better, but we want to make sure that that toe and that kneecap is pointed straight up so you can actually put something over to that area to help block it, to help rolling out, like another ankle weight, and you can prop it up there. Again, you can start without anything. Now, I make it look easy, but it can be really difficult and painful to achieve it. And it may take days to weeks to achieve full knee extension. So you can start with a 1 pound, 2 pound, 3 pounds, and then work your way up. For time-wise, I usually start with about 2 to 3 minutes and work up to 10 minutes. And you want to try to do that every 1 to 2 hours to get that tissue to loosen up and get that passive knee extension. So bag of rice or nothing above that kneecap. As always, if there's any really bad pain or discomfort, always stop.